Here, I can get closer in. Yeah, it really is. Oh, got something. Hey! Just this tiny little smallmouth. It's like a 5-inch smallmouth. Let him go. Just gotta jig it in this little spot. This little guy. A mini green sunfish with no tail. Need a big one to come after it. There's a nicer one. Not a big one though. Yo, Tim! Found the fish. Really need these little green sunfish. God dang it. They're like so small. Oh! What is this? Oh, another creek chub. He's flopping. There he is. Trying to see where they're at. I need a... Oh, got something. Baby fish. I don't know. I'm probably gonna crack it because we don't want any more geese. Just found this goose egg like laying against a rock. I mean, this goose is obviously dead. Throw it up there. No, the bottom. Hey, look, a new species. Bluegill. Look at how small this. It's perfect size for a smallmouth to eat. Perfect bait. It's like 3.5, 4 inches. This boy fighting. Look, bluegill. I don't know. Let's back in your spot, boy. Alright, watch this. Just gotta wait till you see him like swirling and stuff. Where are they at now? Oh yeah, I see one by that stick. Oh! Damn it. Tim, what are you doing? Get a crankbait on there and just whip it at him. That's how you catch carp. You gotta get it right in the middle. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got one. Yeah, boy. I hooked him right in the face too, look at that. It's almost like he went for it. Look, I got him right in the face. It's like a 5-pounder. What? Look, can you grab my bag? Oh no, I got it. Look, it's almost like he tried to eat it. Yeah, it's like right in the corner of his mouth. Come here, fishy. He's pissed off. Yo, can you grab my bag? It has like a scale in it. I want to see if that scale is accurate. Come here, fishy. This fish is an asshole. Come here. Thanks, Tim. Right in the face. Oh, it's a nice one. Wait, where is he? Here. Yeah, it really didn't sound good. Just go. He's gonna fucking splash your ass. Look at this. Watch. Come on, splash him, Carp. Oh, he wants it. What are you doing? He's gonna